Philippines, the banana leaf is a versatile kitchen accessory. Fish and rice are wrapped in banana leaves before cooking. Banana leaves are used to line baking pans and serving dishes. Banana leaves are natural disposable plates. Filipinos who have migrated to the United States have adjusted their cooking styles and practices to fit their lives in their new homes, and the banana leaf has lost prominence. But for some, the banana leaf continues to be useful as a kitchen aid and as a nostalgic bond to life in the Philippines. In this Louisiana kitchen, Arlene, a Filipina, uses banana leaves to flavor the Filipino delicacy sapin sapin. Arlene sanitizes the banana leaves with the heat from the stove. The process of sanitizing the leaves leads to memories of her childhood in the Philippines. She uses some of the sanitized leaves to line the serving tray. She begins to narrate her childhood memories of selling sweet rice wrapped in banana leaves. After changing her shirt in preparation for leaving, Arlene dumps the sapin sapin onto the serving tray. She removes the hot banana leaves, revealing the layered rice cake. Arlene uses the remaining banana leaves to cover the dessert. At her friend's, Arlene takes on the role of street vendor, reenacting her memories of the Philippines, sharing them with her country mates. After lunch, they eat the sapin sapin, using a piece of the banana leaf covering to hold the sticky dessert.
First layer. Have to sanitize the leaves. This will be the plate for the sapin sapin. In the Philippines, there's a fire like this. You're gonna do this in the fire. How you sanitize it, kill the germs or something. My grandmother, when we are a kid, and she will cook like that. But we don't have oven, so she will steam it. So or the other kind of sweet is like it's not rice powder, it's rice itself. It's sticky rice, and she will cook it in coconut milk with sugar, and she will do like this. And we're not using tray. We don't have tray. We have a round. Uh, it's like a tray, but it's big. It's round, and it's made of nipa leaves. And she will put this on the top of the nipa leaves. And we're like 8 years old like that. And she'll put on our head like this, and we're ready to sell it around the neighborhood. The sweets, the snack, we'll put in our head. Smells good. Ano?
Masarap, hindi ano, hindi matamis.
Mm-hmm. Good, yeah.
Hindi masyado matamis.
Jan, the rice is still okay.
Mm.
The rice is still okay.
You make rice.
That's our
Yeah.
that's our fault.
Jan.
Not